You see, a guy can use his brain in two ways, Ollie. He can make it a wall, or bars, to shut him in from the world. Or he can make it a great big door to let him out. Intellectual emancipation. Yeah, they are big words, Ollie. So big that the whole world hangs on them. They can tell you what to read, what to say, what to do, but they can't tell you what to think. As long as man can think the way he pleases, he's never exactly locked up anywhere. A man can think himself outside of all their walls and boundaries and make the world his place to live in. It's a swell feeling when you've done that, Ollie. It's like standing alone at the top of the mountain with nothing around you but stars. Only you're not alone, because you're part of everything living. And everything living is a part of you. And that's when you get an idea of what God is, Ollie. Not Santa Claus dropping answers to prayers down chimneys. Not that. But something as big and terrible as night is. And yet as soft as a woman.